So basically, I was wearing my clown shoes and I didn't realize that my camera was already on slow motion mode from something I had filmed the day before, and therefore, all of my intro parts have no audio. So, yeah. So basically, what I was saying here was how I was heading to teamLAB Borderless in Odaiba to meet up with my friend. I believe I mentioned how I had already been to teamLAB Borderless one time, but since it's spring, they are doing a special exhibit where they turn a lot of their things like sakura color in honor of the cherry blossom season. And I go on to say that I was planning to finally utilize the slow motion features on my camera, which, spoiler alert, it works well, except my lens isn't quite wide enough in order for me to get enough light in when I'm filming slow motion, so some of the videos are a little bit blurry. You'll see it can't quite focus on faces very well, but other than that, I think the footage turned out great. So I'm excited for you guys to see this video, and I'm excited to edit it. Okay, here we go. Odaiba. There's actually two teamLAB exhibits. Or maybe three. There's Borderless, and then there is, I believe it's called Planets. just ate at this cute little shopping mall. It's not little, it's actually ginormous. That is, yes? Oh, am I in your shot, queen? Yes. Am I in your shot, queen? Yeah, let me move. Let me move. My bad. Yeah, so we ate, what did we eat? It was like a little food court type thing, so there was all kinds of different food. I had a ramen bowl that I did not finish because I have the world's smallest stomach. Now we are just headed over to see the other giant Gundam, not the one I've already seen, that's in Yokohama, but this one is the Unicorn Gundam out here in Odaiba, and I haven't seen it, so. Unicorn Gundam! Bye-bye, big boy.